Having a healthy erection is simply just about one thing, which is more blood flow to your penis. Now today in this video, we are going to talk about the 5 foods for a better penile blood flow to increase blood circulation to your penis. Now, if you notice, erectile dysfunction most of the time is due to the lack of blood supply to the penis. So if you have any form of erectile issue, you have problem maintaining an erection, you may actually need to start eating this food, which I'm going to talk about in this video, because it's going to help increase blood flow to your penis, helping you to maintain an erection. Alright, now one of the many ways this food works to increase blood flow to the penis is actually by boosting this chemical called nitric oxide. Now nitric oxide is just like the ignition of getting an erection, because when you have nitric oxide release, what's going to happen is that it's going to trigger a cascade of events. It's going to trigger a chain reaction leading to the relaxation of those smooth muscle cells of your blood vessel. It's going to dilate them, leading to increased blood flow. Alright, now the first food I'm going to share with you in this video is actually not going to surprise you, because this food is very common, but what is actually going to surprise you is its ability to increase blood flow to your penis. Now this food is a great source of nitrate, which gets converted by your body into nitric oxide, which helps to increase penile blood flow. Now this food is beet. Beet is a very important nutrient for treating an erectile dysfunction. That's because it's a great source of nitrate, which is a precursor for nitric oxide. Now there are some good friendly bacteria in your mouth which take part in this conversion process, the conversion of nitrate into nitric oxide. Now when you take a slice of beet and you put it in your mouth and you chew it thoroughly for a long time, you're actually giving these bacteria more time to act on this nitrate, converting them into nitric oxide, which is a very important vasodilator that is going to increase your penile blood flow. So if you're looking for the best food to increase blood flow to your penis, I will actually recommend beet. Now the second food to increase penile blood flow, which I'm gonna tell you, is watermelon. Now watermelon is a great source of L-citrulline, which gets converted by your kidney into arginine, then finally to nitric oxide, which helps to increase penile blood flow. Alright, so by eating watermelon, which is a great source of L-citrulline, that is actually going to improve penile blood flow. It's going to improve your circulation. Alright, now number 3 is garlic. Now garlic is a great source of allicin, and I actually consider garlic as the coolest way to increase penile blood flow. Now this allicin is actually a sulfur containing compound. Now allicin is a vasodilator. When it gets to your blood vessel, it's going to dilate your blood vessel, thereby enhancing your circulation. So garlic is actually one of the coolest way to dilate your blood vessel and improve circulation. Now number 4 is by eating cloves. Alright, clove is actually one of the oldest spices known to man, and it has a lot of interesting benefits. It's good for your immune system. It helps to regulate your blood sugar. It can help treat skin issues like acne and eczema, and then it can help treat indigestion. It also helps to stimulate enzymes. But studies have actually shown that by taking clove helps to increase sexual latency by increasing blood flow to your penis. Alright, now the reason why clove is very important for improving blood circulation is because it's a great source of eugenol, which helps to dilate the blood vessel. Now there are a lot of different ways you can take clove. You can take it in form of clove tea, which by the way, you just take some few clove and then you're going to put it in a cup of warm water. You leave it for about 20 minutes. This eugenol that is found in clove, which helps to dilate your blood vessel, is going to get absorbed into this water, and then when you drink it, it's going to improve your circulation. Alright, now the other way you can take clove is just by chewing it, or you can take it in form of clove oil. All these things are still going to give you that benefit. Alright, now the last food which I'm gonna talk about is actually a snack. Now this snack is dark chocolate. Now dark chocolate is a great source of this phytonutrient called flavonoids. Now, flavonoids also stimulate the production of nitric oxide, which is a vasodilator. And beyond this, there are a lot of interesting benefits you get by eating dark chocolate, because flavonoid is actually anti-inflammatory, it's antioxidant, it helps to reduce blood pressure, and more importantly, it helps to restore erection. Alright, so if you consume dark chocolate, which is a great source of flavonoids, that is going to improve blood flow, it's going to improve your circulation. Alright, so these are some of the foods that you need to start eating to increase your penile blood flow, to increase the distribution and circulation of blood to your genital area. Alright, before you go, if you've been enjoying my content and you've not subscribed, make sure to hit the subscribe button right now, and then don't forget to share it with your friends and your family. Thanks for watching.